Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Shami Eats and Treats. Today we'll be making chicken satay. This is a delicious grilled chicken skewer marinade served with peanut sauce. Let's get started. The first thing we'll add is 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Now we have 1/4 of a cup of chopped green onions, 3 to 4 large garlic cloves crushed, After combining our marinade together, we'll add 1.5 to 2 pounds of prepared chicken thigh. Now we'll cover this with plastic wrap and let it sit overnight in the fridge. You can easily skewer these and throw them on a barbecue. If you're not able to barbecue, these can easily be made on a cast iron griddle in the warmth of your home. That makes this dish delicious all year round. These are delicious dipped in peanut sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, comment, and be sure to subscribe for more recipes.